Sakai can be accessed with a computer or mobile device. When using a computer, course sites are available in the Favorites bar at the top of the page. Additional sites may be listed in the Sites drawer to the top right. Be aware that not all courses will have a Sakai site. However, if you're enrolled in a course that should have a site but you can't find it, contact the instructor. The Sites drawer can be used to adjust the site tabs that are available in the Favorites bar. We recommend rearranging the tabs at the beginning of each semester in order to easily access relevant courses. To toggle a course site as a favorite, click the star to the left of its name. Sites that aren't starred will not display in the Favorites bar. To search for a specific site, type the course title into the Filter Sites field. To rearrange the order of the site tabs in the Favorites bar, click the Organize Favorites tab. Then, click and drag the handles, which look like 3 stacked lines, up or down the list to reorder. By default, new sites are automatically added to the Favorites bar. To turn off this setting, click the switch to the right. When done making adjustments, click the X to the top right to close the drawer. To see new changes, click Reload from the pop-up that appears at the top of the page. To quickly remove a site from the Favorites bar, click the star to the left of its name. The Site tab will be removed when the page reloads. To retain the site as a favorite, click the star again. If the Sites drawer or Favorites bar becomes cluttered with old courses, sites can be hidden in Preferences. To hide sites, click the User Account menu to the top right, select Preferences, and click the Sites tab. Next, check the boxes of courses to hide, and click Update Preferences. Course sites can be unhidden here at any time. On mobile devices, only the current site will display in the navigation area. To access favorites and other sites, tap the Sites drawer. To search for a site, use the Filter Sites field. To favorite a site, tap the star to the left of its name. To access favorite sites, click the Favorites tab. To navigate to any site, tap its name. More information about Sakai can be found in our other videos or by visiting the PLU Knowledge Base.